We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the verb to fall, as in to fall from the sky. The past tense or simple past is pronounced as fell, fell, as in she fell on the ground yesterday. Fell. The past participle is pronounced as fallen. Just start like the infinitive fall, fallen, stress on the first syllable, as the tree was fallen when the storm hit. Overall, fall, fell, fallen, fall, fell, fallen. Here is a video for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Watch it and listen to improve your English. Stay tuned to the channel to continue learning. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.